Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. First thing first, go to Apps and Sales Channels in Shopify. Search for Google and YouTube, then select it and complete the installation steps. This allows Shopify to share product data directly with Google. Now during installation, sign in with your main Google email. Link your Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, and Google My Business accounts if desired, and ensure your Google email has admin permissions for all linked accounts. When linking a GMC to Shopify, your store domain is automatically claimed and verified. Just note that each domain can only be associated with one GMC account. Go to Google Merchant Center and sign up, then complete all the steps to set up your account. Return to Shopify and continue the channel setup. GMC is mandatory for running Google Shopping or local inventory ads. In GMC, go to Settings, Linked Accounts, Partners and Platforms, then Link. Select Shopify from the drop-down, and once linked, the Google and YouTube channel will check which your products are eligible for Google. Products must meet Google's requirement to appear in shopping campaigns. And done, your Shopify store is now connected to Google Merchant Center, allowing your products to be promoted across Google Search, YouTube, Google Images, and more. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.